Now let's talk about the luxury market versus the average detached home market. There are pros and cons to luxury real estate. The luxury market has some considerations. It's not something to automatically target with your prospecting. The market value of luxury homes is higher and it is attached to higher paychecks. However, it is not an ideal target market for new agents without resources in the game. Luxury homes have larger paychecks, but often take longer to sell because the buyer pool is so much smaller. Once you pass the $5 million mark, more days on market is not uncommon. This isn't because something is wrong with the home. It's because as you go up the hierarchy in luxury properties, homes become extra custom and there are fewer buyers to match each home. The more custom a home is, the more effort and energy it can take to locate or attract the right buyer with your marketing. Attracting buyers to these luxury properties costs money. Your marketing materials and efforts must match the property's level. Additionally, clients for properties above $5 million likely expect you to market internationally to access more potential buyers within an already smaller buyer pool. Average priced homes are homes that sit in the median available market supply. It doesn't mean the homes are average. Average priced homes have lower agent paychecks. However, this is a very important point. They require a lot less resources to market and turnover. You can move on to your next sale that much faster. You'll likely turn over many more average price homes in the same period that you were holding on to that one luxury property. This is especially true when starting out. Multiple average market value properties will turn over in the time that it takes to turn one luxury home. Those smaller paychecks add up quickly. Although it may take 4 or 5 homes to add up to that luxury listing, it still makes sense to have smaller paycheck listings if they are turning over more quickly and have less overhead than the larger luxury listings. It doesn't make sense for new agents to spend time, energy, and money on holding on to 3 or 4 luxury listings. It's too expensive to maintain them. It's not uncommon for high-end listings to take a year or more to turn over, while requiring you to follow up with the families each week. Showings and open houses alone take hours. During luxury showings, people can spend an hour in the home. They go slow. It's not like when somebody goes to an average family home and is in and out of the home in 15 minutes. When you divert your energy to keeping up these luxury listings, you have no money coming in right now. This is time you could use to follow up on or find new leads that will turn into dollars. When you're a new agent, the time lost is not worth the wait to the luxury paycheck. As a newer agent, don't make the mistake of pouring all of your resources into turning over luxury listings. Instead, prospect and service easier to turn over listings. It's a different story if you're already established in real estate. Later in your game, the maintenance required for a luxury listing won't sabotage your game resources in the same way it does for a rookie agent. Wait until you are advanced in your game to knock at luxury properties. That's mainly because you'll have more time, energy, and money to spare at this point. You won't be relying on the listings to build your resources. Once you decide to target these homes, don't be intimidated, just because they are all high-end listings. All door knocking requires that you face rejection. The difference is when you do get that yes at the door, your paycheck is exponentially higher than the other areas. Your hourly rate in luxury areas also works out to be way higher in these communities. A major benefit of knocking on luxury homes is that these doors rarely get knocked on by other agents. Few agents have the courage to visit these areas. They are intimidated by the homes and the homeowners who they think are in a class above them. But there is no reason to be shy. There's a direct correlation between how often a home is knocked on and how friendly the response is. Homeowners in areas that see agents out knocking often get more annoyed than homeowners who rarely see them. When a highly presentable agent arrives at the door in a rarely knocked community, homeowners are usually very receptive. In fact, they often find it extra intriguing when they see someone at their door. It's also very common for a luxury homeowner to tell you, "Good luck," or "I remember when I used to work like that." It's even common for them to thank you for coming by. These homeowners have usually worked really hard to afford their homes. They are not strangers to hustling. They appreciate it when they see others doing it. They know what it takes to make it in life, and they respect hard work.